G'day, here's a few pieces of offcuts of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. Rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted and hence the light's reflecting off a lot of the stones here, making them appear white. We'll just go a bit closer. These were just randomly scooped out of a larger bucket. There's nothing super high grade in these. Piece of honey potch. This is like this. There's a face. A few of these pieces I just threw in there. What they are, I'm afraid. A bit of Koroite, make a little stone out of that perhaps. Like I say, these are just randomly scooped out of offcuts. The Koroite, this is a larger piece of Koroite. Something like this, always grind the top of it off. Quite often the colour, if there's any colour, will be just under the surface. Bit of Koroite. Something like this, always grind the top of it off. You might be pleasantly surprised. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed those. Cheers.